What's up guys, it's Tyler here, back with another video, and today we're in my bedroom in my house. It's a very nice bedroom. Yeah, so it's all decorated and stuff. First of all, shout outs. What I do every video. First shout out goes to Logan. Logan watched some of my videos and I'm pretty sure he'll be watching this video. So yeah, go check him out. Yeah, so Logan, shout outs for you. Also, next shout out goes to Riley. I gave him a shout out last video. So I'm giving him another shout out. I can't remember his TikTok account name because I forgot it. He told me today, but he's told me to say it, but I forgot. So sorry, Riley. So your next shout out is to Mac. Mac didn't want to give me get a shout out, but he's getting one. So Mac. So yeah, this is my room here. It's an okay room. Here's one of pictures. A Joker picture. It's really nice. It's like a portrait. It's one that my dad got, so it's really cool. A little close up. So yeah. Why are you so serious? So yeah, that goes in there. Here's my closet right here, open and shut. Here's my drawers over here. Nothing much to see. And if we come over here, you might have already seen my keyboard. It's flat now, but yeah. Here are my Xbox games right here. So yeah, my Xbox One games are somewhere else. I don't know where they are. Here are all my books. This is some important family quarter things. So I don't know what it really is, but you put it back there. You know, a couple. Here's a drone. One of my drones here. Some of my caps up there. And here is my a present that I think Matt got me for my birthday. It's an RC Ferrari car, which is really cool. I think it's a Ferrari or a Lamborghini. I don't know. Tell me if it's a Lamborghini or Ferrari, because I don't know. So let's put that back. And so what else do I have to show? Oh, we have a portrait here of me and my mum. And if we go up here, this is a target shooting for my Nerf guns. So like the physical target. So if it like hits it, I get 5 points. So yeah, that is really cool. Here are my history / human biotic books. So those are right there. Here are the instructions for those. Here's my money box right here, the ones I would have saved my money on. What else? Yeah, I think that's about it. You know, just my bed here. So yeah, and here's a bowl right here in case I spew in the night. So yeah, I keep that there. So yeah, here's some pumpkins. And here's a light here. And this is my baptism thing again. And then there's up there. And there's a dream catcher up there. And there's a picture up there for my dad. And yeah, so that is it, I guess. So yeah, those shout outs to Riley and Logan, you deserve them. So yeah. And I'll leave a link to my friend Dimitri's Spy Gamer Dimitri's channel in the description below. I won't be posting any videos on Saturday or Sunday because I will be away. I will be posting I will be posting an Apex Legends video tomorrow, but I don't know if it should be a live stream or video, so make sure to leave your comment section below if you want it to be a live stream or a video. So that is all from me today. I'll be back with another video or live stream tomorrow, depends which one you want. And